Hey beautifuls, it's Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. If you're new here, welcome, and please consider clicking that subscribe button. We would love to have you as a part of the beautiful crew. So Halloween is coming, and if you know me, you know Snoopy and Charlie Brown are my favorite characters. So I decided to make that my costume this year. So first you will need a Cricut machine, the easy press, the mat, the roll of iron-on, a yellow shirt, the weeder, scissors, and a black and white dog. She's not a beagle, but a Shih Tzu will do. You also need a computer or a device to go to Cricut Design Space or Etsy for your design. This is where I got my design from here, but if you go to Cricut Design Space, you can also get a zigzag pattern there. So once you've decided on your pattern, you can go ahead and enter it into your Cricut and start the cutting process. And then once it's all cut, then you can go ahead and use your weeder tool and you can weed out the pattern from the plastic. And I did my zigzags on one sheet, so I used my scissors to cut that. And once you cut that in half, then you can go ahead and start placing it on your shirt to begin the iron-on process. You can also use an iron, but I do have the Cricut Easy Press. And then you go ahead and line up your zigzags and press that on. And then you can go ahead and take off the clear paper. And here's a look at the finished product. And that's me and, well, Charlie Brown and Snoopy. Thanks for watching, and continue to live beautifully.